Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to tell you guys how to fix P0108 manifold absolute pressure sensor circuit high voltage input code. If you're getting P0108, it means that the computer or the ECU or ECM or PCM recognizes that the voltage on the map sensor is a little bit too high. For example, if the map sensor voltage is at 4.9, it means it is too high. And if it stays at that voltage for more than 4 seconds, the computer is going to trigger that code. To locate the map sensor, it is going to be located in these area. It's going to be located directly on the intake manifold area or the plenum area. It is going to be located by the firewall, and there's going to be a vacuum hose connecting the map sensor to the intake manifold, or the map sensor can be located directly on the throttle body area. So again, if you can't locate the map sensor, always look around the intake manifold area and throttle body area, and again at the firewall area. The most likely reason why you're getting P0108 code is because that map sensor is most likely faulty, or it is bad, or maybe it is clogged on the inside. So I suggest buying carburetor cleaner or throttle body cleaner and clean the inside of the map sensor, and hopefully it will help unclog the map sensor. So I suggest buying carburetor cleaner or throttle body cleaner and clean the inside of the map sensor. Also, make sure to clean the port area on the throttle body, and also you want to clean the inside of the throttle body as well, because there is so much carbon buildup on the inside of the throttle body or oil vapor, and all of that can get on the map sensor again if you don't clean out the throttle body. Next, make sure to check the condition of the wire going to the map sensor. Make sure it is not open, make sure it is not broken, and make sure the connection is not loose. Also, check the connection on the map sensor. Make sure it is secured. And of course, always check that map sensor wire going all the way straight to the CAN bus. Next, check for vacuum leak. If there is a vacuum leak, it will definitely affect the map sensor operation. So make sure to check for a bad intake manifold gasket. Make sure to check for bad vacuum hoses. Next, make sure the throttle body gasket is not bad. And also make sure that map sensor O-ring or seal is not ruptured or bad as well. What symptoms should you expect when you're getting P0108 code? Well, you're going to notice rough idle, poor fuel economy, stalling, poor engine performance, and so on. I hope you found this lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching, and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.